Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome to another creek fishing video. This morning, not morning, but it's kind of late morning now. It's about 10 o'clock. The today weather is kind of pretty, a little warmer, about 60 degree, and the water temp is 56 degree right now. And try to go in there to find some trout. That's my target species. Hopefully be able to find some. I love this time of the year of creek fishings, and get on some solid trout sometime, but it's always good to be able to get out and to fish in the winter time, and the trout, they move it into the creek system, or when the water temp drop and cold, so they go in to find some warm area to sit there and feed, to ready for the springtime to get back out. So it's the best time to targeting them inside the creek. I'm gonna take you guys along with me to find some trout, and I hope y'all sit back and relax, and let's get on some fish. Just make it to the spot right now, y'all. It's so beautiful, peaceful morning right here. The cloudy day, hopefully they hungry and biting, so I don't know, but we're gonna give it a shot. But today, I'm gonna start to throw. So today I'm gonna start to throw a regional slick lure. This called a paper 225 or something like that. This color I don't remember, and I'm pairing with my Buckley 1/8 ounce weedless hook from Buckley. This is number 3 on. A little small for this. I might change it back to the little small profile to fit this hook, but I'm gonna go with my 15-pound fluorocarbon from Missouri. It's about 1.5 feet, and I'm pairing with my 20-pound 20-pound braid from Missouri as well. I'm gonna go with my 10-pound braid from Missouri right here, and I'm throwing a bait caster this morning to see what happened. I've started to kind of like the bait caster lately, so I'm go with my Daiwa Tatula Elite 7-foot finesse. I'm pairing with my Shimano Curado 718G to work very good for me. Cast mile on this, like real good, y'all. So I'm gonna give it a shot for this slick. Probably not just hopping on the bottom, just kind of crank it 1 or 2 until we find them, and then we'll pop it up to the hard bait. A lot of bait right in the banks, y'all. So I love this creek because it's all around my house, it's so close and so easy to get into, not that far. I usually get them to bite, like start off in this area all the way deep in, I don't really get lucky in here, but who knows, it's always give it a shot while you're coming in. My favorite area to fish is right here in open field right there. It's about drop off about 2-3 feet on the bank, and then drop off 4 or 5 feet. Usually they right in that flat. trying to drop off or see they would fit it up there. It's good you cover a lot of water when you throw in some jerk shads and jig head and stuff. That can educating you where they at, and you know, as soon as you find one, usually they're hanging out quite. Let me get somewhere else. I'm gonna get the zooms, the watermelon color. See if they would take that. Come on. Swap it back up to the Zoom jerk shad 5-inch watermelon color. Since I don't have any the beads no more, so pretty good. With this 3-on hook, kind of a little small for the original slick lure, so come on, baby. It is in the fall. First one in the morning, y'all. He eat it on the fall, y'all. Solid trout too. Awesome, y'all. Alright. There you go. It's cold, man. It's about 15, 16 inch. Thank you, buddy, for the fight. I'm gonna tie it back to middle lure, which is I usually do a lot of green color. That's the only one green color that I had in my box, and I have not received my ES lure green color yet on the mail, so ooh, some coming up. Yeah, that's a chop. Oh man, that's pretty cool when you see the fish coming up like that. That's get me so addicted, you know. Not so much on the plastic that bite on the bottom. It's good, but I like to see them come up and smoke it. Let's try to catch this guy. So you always twist it with the slack line, so that way you make the lure darken left and right. It's pretty good. You know, if you're gonna twist it with the tight line, there's usually they just pull it. There's no natural looking. You know. Come on. Yeah, that's good side. That's good side, y'all. Solid, girl. Come here, buddy. He ain't big, but he's fat. Alright, buddy. Second one of the day, which is pretty good. It's cold. Alright, buddy, let me get you out. Beautiful fish. Thank you, buddy. Man, the boat already went in, so it might be take a little bit for fish to bite again. Come on. Look at this. He's smoking. Same size. Alright, baby. Alright. Man, there's a fly on this guy.
Different stuff actually. We caught ladyfish. We had 2 tarpons in the boat.
Wow.
One jumped. So we had 3 tarpon on.
Nice.
We had ladyfish, 1 pepper trout, catfish, a little bit of everything.
That's awesome. Alright, they're out here. Caught my third one, and hopefully some things would upgrade my size. Oh, there it is. Come up again. Cam off. They just love the zigzag on the surface and smoke it. Especially like in the 2 foot depth. And they're easy to come up and smoke it. There you go. Small one, man. A lot of small ones. Alright, buddy. Alright, buddy. Thank you, bud. There, let's see if we can find a bigger trout and you know, maybe something different species back there. Because the boat just passed by me and he said it's a lot of different species they've been catching, so we'll give it a shot. Come on, baby. Y'all know when the winter time coming, it's always slow fishing. You know, you cannot go fast, you cannot do really hard, you know, it's just kind of work as natural. Sometimes they just like too cold, they don't want to spend so much energy to feed it, you know. They want something just like don't have for them to be chasing. I just love the way they come up and smoke it, you know. Ooh, some coming up. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What is that? Good trout. No, he's the baby. Alright, that's awesome, y'all. Oh, calm down, dude. He's got some little shoulder on him. Alright, buddy. Alright, let me get you out. There we go. Good release. Alright, let's get him out again. It's number 4. It's no side though, but it's some number. I'm not gonna complain, you know. Any fish that coming up and smoke my hard bait, that's the day that I want to be. And come on, baby. It's another one just coming up and try to eat it. There it is. There we go, y'all. Ooh, some shake head, y'all. Solid. Solid specky trout, y'all. He smoked it. Come on, buddy. This guy's. Oh no, don't do that. This guy come and smoke it. Yes, sir. This guy a little bit bigger, a little bit shorter, you know. Thank you, buddy. Ooh, I see him coming up. I see him coming up, y'all. There they. Oh my God. Here we go again. He's coming up. I hope y'all can see it. That's great feeling, you know, when you expect that, when you get out of the house and you expect, I want to catch some trout on the hard bait. When you see him coming up and smoke it, you know, that's what I love. Like, everything go by the plan. Ooh, look at you go. That's crazy, yo. I love it. It's not big, but you know, it's still pretty fun. Alright, buddy. Number 7. There he is. Thank you, bud. Thank you for the fun. Just kind of learning the aerial conditions and spot, you know. So every day you're going out there, just have a good time and learn. There's a lot of moving water right here, y'all. I see some good fish out here. A few times that I come out here, good trout, you know, but good trout hanging out here. Hopefully we can hook up one or two. It's a lot of slow working on the hard bait, you know, to get them to bite, to trick them to bite. Look at this, y'all. That's a good trout. That's a good trout, y'all. That's a good trout. That's a good trout, y'all. That's a good trout. All right, buddy. That's a good trout, y'all. Love it. That's a good trout. Come on, buddy. Didn't have a net with me, so I'm trying to let them fight. Come, ooh, only one. Only. All right, buddy. Only hook one. Damn, my battery died. Come on, come here, buddy. Oh, it came off. That's okay. Like it, they're just up and down on this bank, just hanging out here, you know, waiting for the bait. Because the bait, they going up and down, you know. Come on, man. That one I would think about 19, 20 inch. Pretty good. Twist, pass. On your slack. Like I said, you know, a lot of big fish, they feeding on the bank. You know, they just stay in that, drop off that, and they just come up and grab it when they see the bait coming up or come by, swim by. They just love to do that. That's what they designed for. Come on. Look at this, y'all. Solid trout. Hopefully, he ain't big, but he coming up and smoke it. All right, buddy, come back here. Right here. Not bad. Look at that. Oh, bring him out. All right, buddy. All right. Pretty nice. There you go, y'all. Ooh, there she go. Love this band, y'all. They're usually hanging out here a lot. Come on, baby. Oh, you're in here. Ooh, I see him. Ooh, ooh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yeah. Man, he's smoking. He's smoking, y'all. Oh, no. My lure. God. Dang it. Just lost my lure. It's only green that I had, y'all. God. You know, tie back ES lure, y'all. So this is what I've been catching them yesterday, this color. And this is a Pnut, the ghost color, but I did change the hook a little bit lighter than the original, so they will pass on the surface like about 10-inch when you stop tweak them. So they kind of do that, so it kind of like stay right there, like that. All right, we'll see. This ES lure, find me some fish. What's gonna bite? Beautiful spot right here, love it. It look really fishy, y'all. Ooh, I see him coming up. Ooh. I see him coming up, y'all. I see him coming up. Damn. Y'all see that? Oh yeah. They just waiting to ambush it. He's come up and smoke it. Alright, buddy. Come here. Silence. About 18. Oh. Alright, buddy. Just like that, y'all. Come up and just smoke this. You can see him. Beautiful fish, y'all. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, bud. There she go. Might be in there as well. Yep. Y'all see that? Oh, that's a good. Oh, that's a tarpon, y'all. That's a tarpon. Goodness. That was a tarpon, y'all. Maybe one more in here, y'all. Here it is. What is that? Oh, it came off again. Damn it. God. My goodness. Goodness. God, Lord, yes. That's awesome, y'all. Look at this. Oh my God. Look on the game, y'all see that? God. Couldn't land them, y'all. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Come on, come on. What is that? Bass. God, I thought it was tarpon, man. It's cool. There we go. Thank you, buddy. Come on. Come on. There it is. Oh, it's a good trout. Oh, it's tarpon. Tarpon, y'all. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Come on. Come here. No, 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 no. Oh, yeah. What is that? Ladyfish again? Please don't tell me ladyfish. Oh, that's tarpon, y'all. That's tarpon, y'all. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, they come off. God, Lord. That was the tarpon. That was the tarpon. Okay, okay. Come on, baby. Hear this. Come on, man. Go grab it. Yeah, solid trout, y'all. Solid trout. Come up here, buddy. Alright, buddy. Alright. It's fat. Awesome. Love it. Alright. Thank you, bud. Appreciate you. There you go. See this. Solid trout. Alright. Some more one. Alright, buddy. Thank you. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna wrap it up today. The bite's pretty good, you know. Solid. Not bad. Catch about, I would say 9 or 10 trout, and one, two, three, four, probably 4 tarpon that I lost. So it's pretty good, you know. I didn't expect that. What I'm targeting is just a trout, but you know, it's happened. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You know, we got some tarpons and trout. I mean, snook in here, so which is good. But I'm still looking for my first tarpon for me to land it. So I almost get her to land it, but she came off right off the kayak. So just it's okay, you know. Can't complain. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy all this video action of catching trout along us Alabama Gulf Coast. So and if you're new here, run by my channel, please don't forget to press subscribe to button for, and then the bell for the new video coming up. And I'll post my video every Wednesday and Saturday. So and I hope y'all have a great Christmas and holiday. Happy New Year to y'all. Till now, I see you guys in the next video.